What's up, guys? This is Jake, and today we're taking a look at the Coffee Gator Coffee Canister. I guess that's the best way to name this. I'm really excited about this. So if you have followed any of my other stuff, I am a coffeeholic. I drink so much stinking coffee, but I do have a bad habit of grinding a lot of coffee at a time, and then some of it kind of go bad because I just use regular containers like I would for food storage or something like that, and they're just not made for coffee. They're not sealed very well, so my coffee kind of loses a lot of its freshness. That has happened more than once, more than I'd like to admit for sure. So I'm really excited about this. I actually just got this last night, and I wanted to make a review before I start using it while it still looks clean and good. But I'm really excited about this. So let me cover just a couple things real quick so you can see some of the features of it. Right here, obviously the main thing is it keeps your coffee fresher. You'll also see that there's a freshness tracking wheel on it, which I thought was really cool. So right here, the middle, you can actually turn. The middle is a little bit harder to turn, but you can turn the middle, and that is for the month. This is really easy to turn. All you do is, sorry, it's kind of hard while doing this, but all you do is like that, right? So, and that's to track the day, and that goes all the way around. So that will allow you to track if your coffee is still fresh or if it's not. We also have a release valve for flavor damaging CO2. So we'll go ahead and go a little bit into it so I can show you that. It's really easy to open. It's just literally that flip right there. You can see it has a rubber piece around it to keep it a really nice tight seal. And then here's the CO2 valve that it was mentioning. I also see, I think there are 3 or 4 replacements of this that come with it. It looks like 4. It's over on the other side of the room. The one thing I've noticed in the instructions is to make sure this does not get wet. But again, if it ever does, you have the replacements. So that's the CO2 valve. No quibble guarantee. Always love that. You have a stainless steel measuring cup. So that actually obviously comes in handy. You've got your measuring cup right there. And then the one-handed operation lid, which you saw. This is crazy simple, right? I mean, you saw me undo it with one hand earlier. I don't know why you necessarily need one hand, but that is all it is. So it's real simple. Guys, I'm personally really excited about this. I've actually been looking at this for a while, wanting to get my hands on it, and finally did. I will do another review video at some point after I've used it for a while, but I'm really excited. I mean, the ability to track the freshness, the rubber piece on the inside to make sure this is a very tight seal. This piece here, this clamp is really good. I'm really excited about this. This is something I've wanted for a while. So if you're looking for a way to actually keep your coffee fresh after you have ground the beans, I highly recommend Coffee Gator. I've had some of their other products that I really liked, so I'm glad to finally grab this canister. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys.